Hello everyone. Let's learn the different types of pronouns. We will learn 7 types of pronouns. Quick summary in case it's a revision for you. First, demonstrative pronouns. These are the pronouns that point out specific nouns. The examples are this, these, that, those, and the sentence would be this is old. Here, this is demonstrative pronoun. Next, possessive pronoun. These pronouns show possession and examples would be yours, mine, etc. Example sentence: the car is hers. Hers is the pronoun that shows possession. Hence, it is possessive pronoun. Next, interrogative pronoun. These are the pronouns that ask question. Example: which, what, whose, etc. And the sentence would be who is crying. Here, who is an interrogative pronoun. Next, intensive pronoun. These are also known as emphatic pronouns. And these are the pronouns used for emphasis only. And they can be dropped without changing the meaning of the sentence. For example, I myself helped him. Here, if we remove the word myself, we get I helped him. And it means the same. Myself was just added for emphasis. Next, reflexive pronoun. Refer back to the same person or thing. You can also say in such sentences the subject and the object are same. For example, he analyzed himself. Here, himself is reflexive pronoun and you cannot drop it unlike intensive pronoun. If we remove it, what do we get? He analyzed. Whom did he analyze? That information is lost. Hence, this is an example of reflexive pronoun. He analyzed himself. It could also be he analyzed her. But we are using himself and it is referring back to he. Hence, this is reflexive pronoun. And if you see, herself, themselves, ourselves, itself are examples of both intensive and reflexive pronouns. And it depends on the usage. If we can drop, then it's an example of intensive pronoun. And if it is integral part of the sentence and if both the subject and object are the same, then it is reflexive pronoun. The next type of pronoun, relative pronoun. This is a pronoun which introduces a dependent clause and connects it to an independent clause. For example, who, whose, that, etc. And if we see the sentence, I thank the man who helped me. Here, who is the relative pronoun and it is connecting the dependent clause who helped me with the independent clause I thank the man. Next, personal pronoun, and these are the pronouns used as subject and the object in the sentence. And the examples are he, she, it, her, him, they, them, etc. And if we see the example sentence, she helped me. Here, she is the subject, me is the object, and these two are the examples of personal pronouns. So now you know the 7 types of pronouns. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.